Today I'm going to do a quick thing on motor frame sizes. I'm going to try to keep it 60 seconds-ish. Think I can do it? Think I can do it? I'm not sure I can do it. Let's see. When you're looking at the motor, you can take, and it's got a frame size here on the tag. And so, a big thing you're trying to accomplish is you want to see what that size says, and you can then take that frame and go into a frame chart somewhere and reference it. So, let's do that real quick. We're going to go into just Google search, and we're going to search electric motor frame chart. We're going to have a couple come up. One of them that I really like to use and I recommend is through Engineering Toolbox website. I'll leave a link to the website in the description, and every motor I've ever needed, I've got it here. Now the reason this is useful is because if you have a shaft size that you need, for example, on that motor, it's going to be next to impossible to get that shaft size if you needed it for any reason without disassembling that whole thing. We don't need to have to do that. If you needed to know that shaft size, take that frame, come to this chart, and it will tell you exactly what that shaft size is. So I think it was a 213 JM frame, which makes it a 7/8 shaft on that motor. Now you can also find out all your other dimensions about that motor just based off of that frame. If you're ever needing to do any kind of research or figure out what's going on, or just any of that detail you require, it's inside the frame number. You just got to use it. So that's your frame size. Hope that helps. Well, that's why we call it the 60 seconds-ish, because, well, you know, I can't speak and say anything in less than 60 seconds. It's just not in my makeup and being and who I am and what I do and everything about me. It's not possible. Anyway, hope this helps. Something new I'd like to try to start, and this is going to be the first one. And, you know, we'll just see where it goes. I'll just take little snippets of tips and tricks and things, and there's all kinds of, you know, tech tips and stuff out there. You don't need more tech tips, so let's make it a little more entertaining. Let's have some fun with it, and yeah, just see where it goes.